You know, child, I don't regret a single experience in my life, but I do regret all the ideas I never made a reality and the opportunities I turned my back to. The world has so much more to offer than your everyday routine. Don't make the same mistakes I did. Wake up, child, and make your life unforgettable.
It is not death most people are afraid of. It is getting to the end of life only to realize that you never truly lived. But if you don't use your gift, then you sail not only yourself, but the whole world short. So what invention do you have buried in your mind? What idea, what cure, what skill do you have inside to bring out to this universe? Uni meaning one, verse meaning song. You have a part to play in this song. So grab that microphone and be brave. Sing your heart out on life's stage. You cannot go back and make a brand new beginning, but you can start now and make a brand new ending.